Is this only like Blizzard merch inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Sadly, yes.
Sadly.
They should have had a real stand. So how do you say stand? Cash? I don't
Stand.
know. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But they cancelled and we're just fucking expensive merch and great merchandise
Oh.
and pictures for free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, expensive merch and free pictures.
Yes.
That sounds like Blizzard.
And if you buy something, the bag is for free.
Oh,
Just
free
a
bag.
Small bag.
Oh, okay.
Big one, if you pay €100, you get a big bag for free. Woo!
Wait, can I pre-order and get the collector's edition expansion for Dragonflight or no?
You can just online order.
Yeah.
It's a golden choice of all the stuff.
Yeah.
The only thing that we don't have here.
Wait, do you work for Blizzard or contractor?